Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best circular saw that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the DEWALT Circular Saw with electric brake, DWE575SB. For serious woodworking, you can't rely on anything flimsy. In my experience, there is nothing better than this DEWALT Circular Saw. It is durable, efficient, and lightweight, exactly what we look for in a professional grade saw. It is equipped with a 15 amps motor that produces an impressively 5,200 RPM. Moreover, this saw allows you to cut up to 57-degree bevel. It surely expands the usability of this tool not only for traditional woodworkers but also for framers, concrete formers, general contractors, remodelers, and many more. You will get a 7 1/4 inch superior quality blade with this, which you need to tighten up before use. How to do it? Just follow the instructions from the manual. Many users left negative reviews on the design flaw of the blade attachments. No wonder they never paid attention to the manual. However, this saw is a tiny beast. I only recommend this for professional use. Not because a beginner can't handle this. Instead, this machine is easy to use for its simple design. But it is so expensive that not a DIYer would want to invest in it. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BLACK+DECKER Affordable Circular Saw, BDECS300C. If you are on a tight budget, but can't compromise with the performance, then have a look at this saw from BLACK+DECKER. It is cheap because it doesn't come with any fancy and lacy features. Instead, it is a basic and simple circular saw that can do the job without any mess. It is a 7 1/4 inch circular saw and comes with a blade. But please add the price of a high-quality blade with the price of this saw. Because the all-purpose blade included with the package is a good-for-nothing. When you replace the blade, the saw will show you a miracle. Upon triggering up, the included laser light will make a linear guide ahead of the saw so that you can cut it accurately. The good thing is, the laser is powered by electricity, not any battery. So, as long as the circular saw survives, the laser will keep guiding you the right path. I strongly recommend wearing a pair of safety gloves while operating this saw. Because the guard comes with it is somewhat flimsy. Besides, there is no guard on the trigger. An accidental power-up can lead to injuries if you are not prepared with safety measures. And yes, no matter how cheap this machine is, it is still backed by a long warranty. At number 3, we have the WORX 4-1/2 Compact Saw, WX429L. If you have a youngster, passionate about woodworking, don't discourage them from using power tools. Most parents don't allow using power tools because those are made for adults and way too big for teens. Here is a smaller version of big-size circular saws. This saw from WORX is specially made to handle small jobs and small people who are enthusiastic about doing everything all by themselves. It has a 4 1/2 inch thin blade to cut boards up to 2 inches thick. In my opinion, it is the best tool to work with wooden pallets and crates. From the features, you know that this saw does not produce more than 3,500 RPM. So, you get the idea that it is slower than more powerful versions. It is good in the sense that this slower speed makes it also safer to use for beginners. You will get a 24T carbide tipped blade, parallel guide, vacuum adapter, Allen key, etc. with this package. Now, can you use it for large projects? I think yes, as long as the material is 2 inches thick. It is a nice addition to a woodworker's toolbox because you don't need to carry around bulky saws to do smaller jobs. At number 2, we have the SKIL Circular Saw with single beam laser, 5280/1. You must be thinking, this is from SKIL, it would be expensive. Actually no, this time SKIL has brought a circular saw that looks and acts like a pro-quality saw, but costs half of that. It features solid 5,300 no-load RPM and a 7-1/4 inch carbide tip blade. The best is, it offers 51-degree bevel capacity whilst other saws offer only 45. For this reason, it will expand your workability with this saw. It is surprising how this feather light saw includes a dust blower in it. It provides better visibility as the dust is cleaned up as they form, and you can have all the control to your workpiece. A single beam laser is like a cherry on a cake. It will make every cut a perfectly straight cut. The only problem is, customer service is not always responsive. If any defect found or any issue occurs to the saw, you may need to claim a repair to the closest SKIL customer service center. So, it is best to invest in this saw if you are living in a big city where SKIL has a repair shop. Other than that, you have to cross your finger and rely on luck. And finally at number 1, we have the SKIL Worm Drive Circular Saw, SPT77WML. If the previous SKIL Circular Saw seems suspicious to you, then this worm drive will surely amaze you. It is highly powerful and modern. There are differences between worm drive and circular saw. The worm drive saw offers a narrow profile tool that you can work within a packed and confined area. These can withstand tough and heavy lumber and engineered lumber better than the circular saw. Needless to say, for these superior features, this type of saw weighs more. And this SKIL worm drive does. It weighs almost 12 pounds. Not a good option for the overhead applications. So, for contractors and construction workers, this one is not a good option. Rather, for framing, decking, siding, and alike applications, there is hard to find any other competitors for this saw. You can cut up to 2-3/8 inch boards at 90 degrees with ease. There is a convenient depth adjustment included. With this, you can easily set the depth of cut in 1/4, 1/8 or 1 inch to make the performance accurate for variable purposes. This one is pricier than a regular circular saw, but also outlasts any saw you have ever used before. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.